Power compresses itself in the seed. I am Donald James Vision. My seed determined by the leaf of synthesis in one. When my furrows till themselves, my field work will be done. This is from my Blood of the Heavens collection, which began over 40 years ago. I visualize a seed as an encapsulation of psychic genius. This is what I think. The seed knows what it is supposed to do without us coaching it. Just imagine the power compressed in the seed. From a little acorn, for example, a great oak tree can grow. I wonder from what seed sprang the galaxies. There is tremendous psychic intelligence in seeds. I wonder, are galaxies not also intelligent? Well, consider this. Power compresses itself in the seed. Power professes itself in the deed. Power confesses itself in the plead. Power represses itself in the bleed. In the beginning, the ending became. And in conclusion, the difference the same. Only is always, and always is more, and always forever, an open shut door. Remember this, only is always, and always is more, and always forever is an open shut door. If we expand our concept of seeds, entire new dimensions of knowledge, appreciation, and prediction open to us. All creation is a recorded history, and it is there for us to decipher. Literally, the history of creation is lost for the finder. I am Donald James, and this is my vision. Open Shut Door is from my second published full-color illustrated book, Another One's Eye, Open Shut Door. It is available as a beautiful paperback and as an ebook. Very affordable, so you can download it to your cell phone. Find it by searching for Donald James Vision and the book title at Amazon.com.